Hey everyone, having trouble pairing your Sony WH-1000X-M6 with an iPhone or iPad? This guide covers the essential fixes to restore seamless Bluetooth connectivity. To fix Sony WH-1000X-M6 not connecting to an Android or Samsung phone, first restart Bluetooth on your phone. Forget the headphones from the Bluetooth list and pair them in pairing mode. Make sure location and nearby device permissions are enabled. Ensure the headphones aren't connected to another device and restart both the phone and headset. If it still doesn't work, try a wired connection or reset the headphones. Why Sony WH-1000X-M6 headphones not connecting, pairing to Android phone or Samsung phone. Bluetooth is not enabled or is glitching on the phone. Old or corrupted pairing data is stored on either device. Permissions like location or nearby devices are disabled, required for pairing. Headphones are already connected to another device via Bluetooth. Headphones are not in pairing mode or pairing mode timed out. Fix one restart Bluetooth on iPhone, refreshes the Bluetooth system and clears temporary connections glitches that may block pairing. Swipe down the control center on your iPhone, turn Bluetooth off, wait 5 seconds, then turn it back on. Headset will automatically connect to device. Fix 2. Forget and repair the headphones. Remove old or corrupted pairing data and allow a clean, fresh connection with your phone. Step 1. Turn off Bluetooth on Android. Go to settings, then Bluetooth, tap the gear icon or the three dot next to WS1000XM6, then select unpair or forget. Step 2. Put the headphones into pairing mode. Press and hold the power button for 7 seconds until you have Bluetooth pairing and the LED flashes blue. Step 3. Connect your device to Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad. Go to settings, then Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Wait for WS1000XM6 to appear in the list of available devices. Tap WS1000XM6 to connect. You will hear Bluetooth connected once pairing is successful. On the phone, tap WS1000XM6 when it appears under available devices. Fix 3. Try Sony Connect app. Try using Sony Connect app on your iPhone or iPad. Go to the App Store and download the Sony Headphone Connect app. Open the app and allow Bluetooth location and nearby devices permission if prompted. The app will automatically search for nearby Sony headphones. Tap on WS1000XM6 when it appears in the app. Follow the on-screen steps to complete pairing. Once connected, you can adjust settings like noise cancelling, equalizer, and more through the apps. Fix 4. Ensure headphones are not connected elsewhere. Prevent the headphones from auto-connecting to another devices like a PC or tablet, which would block pairing with your Android phone. Disconnect or turn off Bluetooth on other nearby devices, laptop, tablet, etc. Only one active connection may be allowed if multiple point is not enabled. Open the Sony Headphone Connect app on your phone. Connect your WS1000XM6 to the app. Click My Devices and select Device Settings. Go to System tab. Turn off Connect to two devices simultaneously. Fix 5. Restart both devices. Restarting will clear software bugs or memory issues that can interfere with Bluetooth connection. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and the volume button until the power slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off. After the screen goes black, press and hold the side button again to ensure the iPhone back on. Step 2. Restart your headset. Press and hold the power button on the left ear cup for about 2 seconds. Wait until you hear the voice prompt. Power off. Release the button and wait a few seconds. Press and hold the power button again for about 2 seconds. Release the button. When you hear power on, the headset is now restarted. Step 6. Reset headset. Clear all old settings and Bluetooth memory, resolving issues caused by corrupted connection or unresponsive pairing. Method 1. Soft reset. Use the supplied USB Type-C cable and connect it to a USB AC adapter plugged into a power outlet. The headset will reset, the charging indicator will turn off briefly and then light up again. While charging, press and hold the power button and the NC or AMB button together for about 5 seconds. Method 2. Factory reset. Turn off the headphones. Hold the power plus custom NC or AMB buttons for 10 seconds until the indicator flashes 4 times blue. The headphones are now reset to factory default. Prepare them with your phone and open the app. Fix 7. Try wired connection. Help verify the headphones are functioning properly even if Bluetooth pairing is failing. Useful for testing. Connect your phone to headphones using audio cable. Make sure L-shape plugged into the phone. Connect other end to the ink jack on the left ear cup. Open Sony Connect app and select Next. The app will begin automatic search. Select Search for wired headphones from the list. Select the headset from the list. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.